Let's start by making the cream, but lemony. Pour the milk and a pinch of salt into a saucepan and bring to a simmer. Then in another saucepan, pour in the yolks and sugar and mix. Add in the flour and continue mixing. And then the lemon juice. At this point, I can pour the hot milk in a little at a time. Place it on the stove and keep stirring as you bring it back to a simmer. Now it's ready! Transfer the cream to a low and wide container, press plastic wrap on the surface to cover, and let it cool first to room temperature and then in the fridge. Moving on to the short crust with oil. Pour the flour into the bowl and add the baking powder, a pinch of salt, and then grate in the lemon zest. I will also add in the sugar and I can mix it with a fork. Pour in the eggs and then the oil and back to stirring it together. Enough with the fork. It's time to knead by hand. It's ready. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. When the time's up, we can roll out the dough. Add a pinch of flour and roll it out using a rolling pin until you have obtained a thickness of about 5 millimeters. Roll the crust around the rolling pin and then unroll it into the pie tin. Use the rolling pin to remove the excess pastry from the edges. Poke holes around the bottom, then pour the cream in the center. Then, we will use the extra dough to create the cutouts. Slice the dough into strips about 1 centimeter thick. Crisscross the strips across the surface. And remove the excess. And I can bake this nice crostata at 170 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. The only thing missing is a good dusting of powdered sugar. And now it's time for a taste. It's so tasty.